So we've had a little bit of a bugger here with this tire and it's been slowly leaking air. So I'm pretty certain I just went ahead and dropped a nail on the ground somewhere and rolled right over it. We picked this up from the Wally World there, Hyper Tough kit. Looks like it has everything in it. It only costs like $5, so we'll see how that does. So first of all, we're gonna get the tire off. All right, well there you have it. So we got the tire off, we got the jack under there, we got a jack stand under there too just in case. Came off pretty easy, and there's our culprit right there. Look at Mr. Nail that I probably dropped on the ground. So I believe that's our culprit. And still have decent tread on these tires. I'm hoping to get through one more season, so it seems like $5 would be a much better deal than getting a whole new tire. All right, so surprise, surprise. So I sprayed the whole water with a little bit of soapy water, and this is where the nail came out, and it came out super easily. So, and it seemed very superficial, and it didn't seem like it punctured, but now we got little bubbles forming over here. So we're gonna go ahead and investigate what's going on here. I did air up the tire a bit, and as it was airing up, I saw a bunch of bubbles form there. So the soap water did the trick. Well, you hear the whistling? That was the culprit there, that little turd. Woo! All right. And I just did that with the needle nose pliers there. All right, now we're just gonna follow her step by step. Insert rasp tool into hole and slide up and down to roughen and clean inside hole. All right, so we're giving her a good go now. Ooh. All right, next we remove the plug from the sleeve. We put it about 50-50 onto there. All right, so we got it basically 50-50 in there. And then next we're supposed to insert it in the hole about 2/3 of the way down, and then we go ahead and pull it out really quick. Didn't want to show me struggling for a while there, but we got it about 2/3 of the way there. There's probably about a 1/2 inch sticking out now. Now we got to pull on this guy real quick and hopefully it doesn't take the plug with it. All right, so there's the plug after our successful pull out. Yay! And then we're just going to take a box cutter and cut the end off here. Fill it up with air, and then I am going to use the soapy water again to make sure it holds the seal. All right, got it pretty flush with the tire now, so now we're going to air it up, check with soap water, and put the tire back on. Hopefully it's a done deal. All right, so we got it up to about 35 PSI. Don't hear any noises, so that's good. Let's go ahead and hose her down. Come here, you hoser. Not seeing any bubbling like we did before, so I think we're all good here.